What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hey, you guys, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I just want the focus to be on the garden because we're cleaning out our garden today, you guys. I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. First of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Don't forget, click the thumbs up, thumbs down, like, and subscribe. Just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Today, we're going to be cleaning out our garden. Okay, we're in the middle of June, and now is the time to start getting your garden ready for summer. We are still in spring, you guys, here in Zone 7 in Richmond, Virginia. Okay, like I said, it's not about me, so you don't see my face, but that's okay. I love getting up early in the morning, coming out here working in the garden. So what we're going to do is start thinking about the heat because it's about to get hot, you guys. It's a little chilly this morning, so I have this jacket on. I'm about to take it off. But we want to start thinking about the summer and the heat and what likes the heat and what doesn't. As you can see over here, a lot of things have gone to seed. This is some of the lettuce that we planted. And you guys, a lot of my garden I plant for you guys. I plant it to grow and eat as well, but I also plant extra for the tutorials that I make. Yes, you guys, this is like a second job for me, okay? Okay, and I love doing it for free. And I just want to be able to share with you guys. So when I grow extras, a lot of it, I want you to be able to visually see it. So now what I'm doing is I'm going in, and I'm not going to take up all of this lettuce because some of it is still doing well. And yeah, I'm just not going to put it all up just yet. But what I'm going to do is take everything that has already gone to seed. And what I mean by that is, once your flower or your plant, your lettuce has matured, or your radish or your whatever you were growing has matured, it will go to seed. And that simply means it's done making what it's going to make down here. And now it wants to reproduce itself. So it produces these little pods like this, and if you open up this pod, inside you'll find tiny seeds. Yeah, this one is freshly seeded, so I have to show you another one. Like here you go. Let's see. These ones you can actually see the little beads in them. See, look at all these seeds. Y'all see those? All those little baby seeds. Look. And they're just falling out. But yeah, they're in there. So we're going to go through and get our garden ready to plant more stuff, you guys. Yes, it's not too late to start planting your summer garden. We are here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia, and our growing season is very long. Our first frost is not until late September sometimes. Sometimes later than that, okay? Okay! So we have plenty of time to even put some more seeds in the ground, and they will mature and grow and harvest fruit. Always read the back of your seed packet. A lot of things take 60 days, some take 75. If you calculate 60 days from today, we're still in August, which is really, really hot here in Zone 7. So we have plenty of time to plant our seeds in the ground and get our harvest. I don't plant everything early. I plant some things early so they can get a jump start, like my tomatoes and my peppers. But I like my zucchinis and my squash and cucumbers. Now is the perfect time to start those things, you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. And all I'm going to do is everything that has gone to seed, we're going to take it up. Keep that good soil, you guys, and be mindful of your plants. Be respectful of your garden. Yeah. We just want to get the things that have gone to seed. And love on your garden, you guys. Look at that. Still getting radishes. Gonna get all this up. Treat your garden with respect, because at some point you probably ate some of this food and you should be thankful to it for producing, because God ain't have to bless it to grow right here in your space. Okay, be thankful. And all of this is going to go in the compost pile. Yes, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start a compost pile. And see, you can already see we're making room. Let me get you closer. You guys know I like you right up on the action. So let me put you right here. Can you see me? Yep, and you see all the space we've made thus far for new plants to start. In your garden, there's always something to do 365 days a year, whether you're growing inside or outside. And it smells so good, you guys. The soil smells so divine. Take that and put that in the wheelbarrow. And go ahead and pick your weeds out while you're here. Look at that little tomato plant. Survived frost and all kinds of stuff. So like I said, you guys, these things are going to go into our compost pile. Look at that beautiful color. I may even make some salad out of some of this stuff, y'all, before I compost it. Okay. Because we ain't got no money to throw no away. We ain't got no money. So now I'm going to pick a lot of this lettuce. I'm going to offer some to my neighbors. But yeah, you guys, we're making room for our summer crops. Oh, we have some beans over here. Look at here, look at here. Look, you guys. In the middle of the lettuce, I'm going to move it out the way so you can see it. Mother Nature has a way of doing her own thing. Look at that. Bean plant. We have beans. Nice pod too. So we're gonna leave that there. That's why you take your time and you go through, be aware of your environment, as I said before. And you guys, after I made the safety video, I got a lot of comments and a lot of people showing me their stories that recently happened. People that were bitten by some things that they don't even know what bit them, because they were out there at night and they were digging through some cabbage or lettuce or something, and something bit them and their whole hand swole up super duper huge. So you guys, that video just came to me when I was just thinking, okay, what video am I going to make? And I thought about being safe in the garden, because we tend to just not be mindful and get out here and do what we want to do without taking precautions and making sure you're staying safe. Okay. So we look at that much. We've cleaned that much out already. You guys see? So I'm gonna pull some more of this lettuce up, taking my time, being aware of what I'm doing, my environment. And I told you guys, in the middle of doing all this stuff, I was planting tomato seeds as well. Okay. See? And they were growing in the middle of the lettuce. Yeah. Hope you can see them. Yep, they were growing in the middle of the lettuce. So that's what you want to do, you guys. We have more tomato plants over here. Just getting everything that's gone to seed. We're clearing it out because we need to make space. Just gonna mend the soil a little bit to get ready to put in some squash and zucchinis. Yeah, those things grow, you guys, super duper fast, and they don't take long. So get your garden ready for summer, because it may be hot some days here and there, but we're still in spring, and we want to go ahead and get this bed ready. See, look at all this space. Look at this great soil. And we're going to add some compost to it. I mean some cow manure and some chicken compost, and amend it a little bit. And then we're going to drop some seeds and cover them up with our green netting. Okay, you guys, I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. Get your garden ready for summer, you guys. It's getting ready to get hot.